All right, everybody. Just wanted to do a quick tour today of both an interior room and a balcony room on the MSC Meraviglia, which is the cruise ship that we're traveling right now. We are currently in Mexico. And so coming in the front door here, you've got, it must be a king-size bed. It's a big bed. And it's actually two smaller ones that you can have separated if you are not husband and wife or whatever. But good-sized bed. It's a little hard, but it's comfortable. And they do give you a choice of a couple of different types of pillows, and you just go with the one you want. And then if we come over to the left here, there are closets, which we have used this time since it's a week-long cruise. If I open that up, we've got shelves and a couple of drawers there. And there is also a safe, which I'm keeping my pajamas in right now, but because I don't need to, use the safe at all. I'll put my pajamas right back in there. And then the other side, we've got a place to hang your clothing from, hangers. And, well, I won't show you our dirty clothes pile at the bottom. We just kind of threw them in the bottom. And then you've got lamps over the bed here, including a reading lamp. A small table where you can keep books and things like that. Pretty decent amount of space. It's not a huge room, but as far as cruise ship rooms go, it's pretty good. And then you've got at least we have a couch here. I'm not sure if all of them have this or if they reverse it. Maybe we're in room 9232, if that tells you anything. And this is one of the balcony rooms that is in the overhang of the deck of the ship, so it actually doesn't get rained on here. But the downside to that is we don't look straight down to the ocean, if that's the kind of thing you like. And then we've got a desk here, nice desk, television. Not a lot of channels, I will say that. You got Discovery and HGTV and a few other things, but it's kind of hard to find things to watch sometimes at night if there's nothing else going on. And then got a pull-out seat here for just sitting in front of the mirror. There I am. And then you've got a drawer here, which is a little interesting because inside the drawer, that is where the hairdryer is. It does not remove, so you have to dry your hair at the desk here if that's what you want to do. And then there's a mini bar. Not something I'm personally interested in, but mini bar nonetheless. And then, of course, there is the thing that you get a balcony room for, and that is the balcony. And today we're currently overlooking Cozumel, which is not a bad place to be. I'm on deck 9, so I actually see the top of the lifeboats. If I was to do this again, I'd probably go a little bit higher, maybe deck 10 or 11, so I don't see that. But nevertheless, we have an unobstructed view. And that view is just gorgeous. And it's nice on sea days because you can just sit out here with your coffee and watch the ocean go by. Got a couple of chairs out here and a small wicker table to put your coffee on. And then coming back in, now I did notice that that there's not a lot of noise that comes in from the door here, which is a really nice thing. And then we go to the bathroom here. It's actually a pretty decent sized bathroom for a cruise ship, I will say that. So you've got a sink. Sink is okay size. You got a toilet right there, and then there's actually a pretty decent shower in here. As far as cruise ships goes, I would say this is one of the better showers I've had. It's a little bit bigger than some of the ones I've had, and it's an actual glass door. It's not just a curtain. I hate the curtains because the water ends up always getting everywhere. My two big gripes with this room and with this cruise, honestly, is that the towels are really not that soft, and the toilet paper is like the cheapest toilet paper money can buy. I'm a cheap person, but the toilet paper that they got is really, really, really cheap. So that's my gripe. But other than that, it's a great room. The temperature is really easy to adjust, up or down. You can turn heat on, air conditioning on, it doesn't matter. You've got the choice of that. And got a mirror here. There I am again. There is also a porch light, which I didn't discover until the last day we were on the cruise. Not that that matters, because I wouldn't want the porch light on anyway. It's just kind of nice to watch the ocean go by in the dark if it's at nighttime. But it's there. Also, there are a couple of European plugs, and there's a USB plug in here. I think the wattage is kind of low because it took a while to charge anything. And then there are two United States plugs as well. And then in the bathroom there's a universal one, I guess for shavers and whatever else. But that is pretty much the extent of the plugs in this room. So it is kind of lacking in plugs. There is not a USB or a regular plug by the bed, just the lights. And a little bit of artwork on the walls. It's really, it's done really well. It's a classy room. They keep it clean. They actually come in twice a day and clean it. And it's been enjoyable. It's been a nice room. On to the interior room. All right, doing the tour of the interior room on the MSC Meraviglia. It's not at all the same as the balcony rooms. It is a very spacious room, actually. There's two double beds. You can slide them together to make one king, I guess it is, queen or king. Good sized bed. There's a lot of floor space here. I mean, you could do yoga here if you wanted to. I don't know why they leave so much space here. Honestly, they could have put a couch against this wall and there would have been room. I'm not sure why they didn't. But, I mean, just a really spacious interior room. Again, two beds. There's a lamp and a reading lamp over each one. You can shut them off there. Switches. And then there's a couple of small end tables where you can keep books and stuff like that. Again, artwork on the wall, telephone, and a desk similar to the ones in the balcony rooms, just probably a little bit smaller. And then the hair dryer's in the drawer there too. Got a mirror, got a television, and closets. Doors open differently. One's in the other kind of cabin slide. This one just opens up. Again, there's a safe there. Television, and again, it's same as the other room where you've got a few different channels, but the choices are pretty limited on what you can watch unless you're going to buy like pay-per-view movies or something like that. There's only about five or six different channels other than the pay-per-view stuff, and they seem to play the same stuff over and over again. So not great there, but you have a TV nonetheless. And then you've got the same bathroom. This one's just in reverse of the one in the balcony room. So nice sized bathroom, glass door on the shower, which is great. Hot and cold running water, of course, you need that. And everything else is the same. And sorry it looks a little bit lived in, but it is lived in. My daughters are here. They do not give you a sloth for your bed. That was a personal choice. But other than that, that is the interior room on the MSC Meraviglia. Pretty nice room, can't complain. And that concludes our tour of the interior rooms on this ship, on the MSC Meraviglia. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.